Most industrial facilities overlook a key advantage. Their backup power system can simultaneously reduce demand charges. This 2,288 kilowatt-hour system does exactly that. What many facility managers fail to recognize is that peak demand spikes are predictable. A sufficiently intelligent energy storage system can shave those peaks before the utility registers them. This system does not simply sit on standby. It actively manages load, reduces demand charges, and integrates with solar or other distributed energy resources on site every single day. When the grid goes down, the system is already operational. No delay, no switchover disruption. Your 480-volt three-phase loads remain powered. Your PLCs stay online, and production continues uninterrupted. The capacity is substantial, 2,288 kilowatt hours, supporting up to 1,000 kilovolt amperes for 2 hours, or 250 kilovolt amperes for 8. Its modular design means future expansion does not require starting from scratch. ULNCE certified, NEMA 3R rated, with a 10-year warranty. For energy procurement and sustainability teams, this also represents a cleaner alternative to diesel dependence, with lower emissions and zero generator noise. This system delivers returns in more ways than one. View the full specifications at appliedgraymatter.com or call Rock at 315-878-2372 and request a free consultation today.